Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So let's get started. So if you are seeing an SS06 error code when trying to log in or create new account, this means Snapchat has banned the device you are using due to abuse or repeated violations of Snapchat's community guidelines. So to fix this, what you can do is just follow some simple steps. So what you can do is you can update your Snapchat application, you can clear your cache, you can reinstall Snapchat or try to log in off another device. So what you can do is the first step is to update Snapchat. So what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store and then search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, now you have to check if you have an updated Snapchat, and after updating your Snapchat you might fix your problem. So what you can do is just simply update your Snapchat. So after updating your Snapchat, now what you can do is just simply go ahead and check if you have fixed your problem. So if you are facing that error code, but if you are still facing the error code, then what you can do is use the second step. So the second step is to clear cache. So what you can do is just simply open up your settings. After opening up your settings, now in search bar you have to search for apps. And inside your apps, just search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, now what you can do is just tap on storage and cache. And after tapping on storage and cache, now you have to clear your cache. So after clearing your cache, you might fix your problem. And after clearing your cache, just open up your Snapchat and then check if this fixed your problem. So if this still does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just reinstall your Snapchat. So what you can do is just delete your Snapchat. So just delete the Snapchat application from your device and then reinstall it from Play Store. And after doing that, you might fix your problem, or then what you can do is just try to log in off another device. So just use some other device to log in your account and this will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.